Hello guys, it's Emmanuel here again with another video. I hope you are doing wonderful. I hope you are enjoying your time while being at home. I know that some of you may be at home. In some countries, local governments have declared a state of emergency or stay-at-home orders or things like that. In some countries, there are curfews in place. But the thing is that I want to make sure that you enjoy our videos, and therefore I'm going to explain to you a wonderful expression that some of you might not know. If that is the case, please remain here with me because this is going to be pretty useful in order to beautify your English. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get started. Alright, so perhaps some of you have heard the expression, little did I know that this would become uncontrollable. Little did I know that the English language is a pretty amazing language to learn.
Another example to let it sink in would be, little did I know that the day I drew my line in the sand would be the day life opened the door. Again, little did I know that the day I drew my line in the sand would be the day life opened the door. Again, little did I know that the day I drew my line in the sand would be the day life opened the door.
Maybe you are wondering, why is Emmanuel using did before the pronoun and he is not asking a question?
Okay, yes, I know this sounds weird, but I want to go over the expression little did I know. It's normally used in literature, books, quotes, songs, and even native speakers use it sometimes. You can also change the word I to other words such as he, she, we, etc. We use these when we want to talk about a person who doesn't know an important piece of information about a situation, but they find out about it after it's too late. For instance, little did I know that I almost let you go until I caught a glimpse of life without you. Again, little did I know that I almost let you go until I caught a glimpse of life without you. Little did I know how deep these roots had grown. Again, little did I know how deep these roots had grown. We can also mention a quote by Bruce Forsyth, which is as follows. Little did I know that there is nothing more competitive in the world than a professional ballroom dancer. Again, little did I know that there is nothing more competitive in the world than a professional ballroom dancer. Having said that, another example is the lines of the following song. Take a listen.
Little do you know how I'm breaking while you fall asleep.
As you may have noticed in this song, little do you know implies a sense of unawareness of a situation, meaning that the person doesn't know what's going down during their sleep. Meanwhile, the singer says she's breaking, thereby she's conscious of the happenings. In a nutshell, the expression little did I know is used to remark on the fact that a person committed some action while entirely unaware of what was going to happen next or what he was getting himself into. Again, it is used to remark on the fact that a person committed some action while entirely unaware of what was going to happen next or what he was getting himself into.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm so excited to be of help. If you guys have any questions about this specific topic, please let me know and I'll be more than glad to give you a further explanation. I just want to make sure that you guys can be able to use this correctly, and I'm going to be making more videos about this topic, and I know that there are thousands of exceptions, so I hope you learn with me here, and I'll be back with more amazing videos. So please take care and see you back in the next video. Goodbye, have a good one.